The baseline command. Open 1B template that was created in article creating a new template. The baseline command creates a linear, angular, or ordinate dimensions from the baseline of the previous or selected dimension. You can select the baseline tool from the dashboard, or click the dimension menu and select baseline. Select the polyline tool and draw the object that you see on the screen. Select the linear tool and create dimension. You can see result on the screen. Select the baseline tool. AutoCAD prompt specify a second extension line origin. Pick the point as shown on the screen. AutoCAD prompt specify a second extension line origin. Pick the point as shown on the screen. Press Enter. Press the Escape key. You can see result on the screen.